My heart palpitates when I think of going live. Seriously. I've been on one live so far. Did not like. I've got another one coming up. I find it really uncomfortable. How do you get over that? Like, I'm happy talking to you now because I know I can cut, edit. The dog comes in, right? Well, so what, right? It's totally editable. Live, there's people
Well, so I have a couple of things to say about this because I was you. Honestly, I was that perfectionist that felt like everything had to be perfect. I would edit a video. One, my team hated me on video days because I literally would shoot the same video 50 times, and that is no lie. A 3-minute video shot 50 times, and then I would edit it to death, until it was perfect. So the very idea of going live, I was like, no, that is not happening.
So exactly the same.
But when I realized, I went live a couple of times and I'm like, oh my gosh, look at all these people and look at how many people I can help. And it's, at the end of the day, it's not about us. And if we're here to make an impact or to connect with people around things that we know we can make a difference in their lives with, then we're just being selfish if we get hung up on our own self. Because it really is about us. And the beautiful part about live video is people are not looking for perfection. In fact, they crave the opposite. They're wanting authenticity. They don't care if our nose is shiny or our hair is sticking up. They really don't. Or if a light falls on our head, I've had that happen. So it's just a fascinating dynamic and how different it is when you're live in an environment and again, it goes back to that. They feel like they can be seen and they can be heard. And it's not about us at all. And if we can, realize that we are just totally being selfish by not putting ourselves out there and sharing and making a difference for others, then, at the end of the day, it's our bad.